We're here on Church Street, got to be one of the prettiest streets within the village. This is number 27. It's a beautiful period cottage, full of charm, but also full of surprises. Let's take a look around. No stone has been left unturned here, and as you'll see, it offers all the benefits of a brand new home, yet all the charm and character of a property that's approaching 200 years old. As you enter the home, you're immediately struck by the quality of the accommodation here. To the front of the property, now this is the original part of the house, there are two front formal reception rooms. Both are absolutely delightful. They feature beam ceilings, a feature fireplace with a log burner, and both of them benefit from delightful views to the front over the village church. So the rooms we've seen so far are what you'd expect to see when you stand outside the front of the house. What you wouldn't expect is this: a stunning living kitchen, providing kitchen, dining and living areas. This part of the house is all part of a new extension. The quality is sublime and is really in keeping with the period part of the property, but also offers a completely modern living environment ideal for day-to-day life. The quality continues upstairs. There's a central landing, which to the front gives you access to two bedrooms, both of which share the use of a beautiful family bathroom. You can see the quality of all the workmanship. It retains all that original character, but is also going to be such low maintenance for the future occupier. But for me, the wow factor of this home has got to be this absolutely stunning principal suite, and what a suite it is. There's a real feeling of space here, enhanced by the high ceilings. As with any good principal suite, of course, we have a large walk-in dressing area, a super stylish ensuite shower room, but my favourite feature of this space has to be this Juliet balcony, providing stunning views over your gardens. As you can see, the outdoor space here is equally as impressive as the indoor space. These gardens are beautifully landscaped. They're going to get the sun most of the day. They're a really nice size and they're incredibly private. All the hard work here has been done for you. The house inside and out is turnkey. Its renovation has benefited from a new roof, new windows, new heating system, meaning you can simply move in, unpack your bags and enjoy. That completes the tour of 27 Church Street, a super stylish village home of beautiful quality. If you like what you see, then please contact us to arrange a viewing.